dip under 2.80 cent, and some fear a crash, and others see at the springboard. Let's unpack what's really is happening this September. So as of today, the SRP holding is nearly 2.78 cent as low. As you can see in the screen, is 2.80 cent, but just about a critical support zone between the 2.75 cent to 2.80 cent. Despite of border crypto weakness, this level has seen a repeated buying, and if you renew the momentum breaks resistance, we could be the more in an exciting move, and analytics remain a split. Some warn of a possibly maybe a 10% drop, which eventually I think a dollar 2.50 cent if support fails, while other sees a retest of dollar 3 to 3.20 cent zone and possibly beyond. So border optimization hints on potential policy shift. So the Federal Reserve, the September decision on the interest rate could be a signal of relief for crypto. But meanwhile, the institutional interest in SRP is surging. The major, I mean, wisdom tree are updating on a spot SRP ETF filings. The open interest of SRP future has been top of the $800 million, underscoring a growth confidence. Catalytics of SRP need to break the past of near-term resistance. So on the chart, the SRP wages descending resistance like break about $3, cool driven by the price by $3.70 to $4, supported by the ETF optimism. In the longer term, in the longer term, the analytics has projected a potential of $5 targeted by the end of 2025 based on a continuous institutional flow and regulatory progress. So looking even a further ahead, some bullish scenarios, eventually SRP can which is around $9 to 27 by 2030, especially in the world where it embraces a digital infrastructure. This September, the key is to watch is around $2.75 to $2.80 support, but a rebound from here could be a present of low risk entry point. If you are bullish and considering a layer buying the partial position to capture the momentum waiting for the confirmation. So if you talk about a bonus point, uh, watch for the sudden spike in SRP ETF related news. A single headline can trigger a sharp move, and being ready can make a big difference. But I think the SRP is the path of September depends on whether the bulls can be defended on 2.75 cent dollar breaks above a $3. That's a really good sign for the SRP right now.